Let me show you how to turn off YouTube playing videos while scrolling. Now, if you're scrolling through YouTube and you don't like that it automatically starts playing all of these videos, or you click on a video and at the very end it says up next, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is let's hop out here and open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. It works the exact same. From here, we need to get to your settings. So at the very bottom, you're going to tap on You, or it might be at the top right there. Now, from here, you'll see the settings or gear icon at the very top. Let's tap on that. And now from here, they've buried it towards the bottom. So we can scroll down towards the bottom, and under video and audio preferences, we're looking for playback to be able to edit this. Now, there are two things that will change on here. One is autoplay the next video. This is when one video ends, it will automatically start playing the next video. Let's turn that off. The other one is playback in feeds. Essentially what this means is as you scroll down through the YouTube app or youtube.com, it will automatically start playing those. You can choose always on, Wi-Fi only, or if you don't like that feature, completely turn it off. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.